Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to build an online banking website. But basically now you're going to be building this online banking website without coding or any knowledge of programming. All you just need to do is for you to get some basic things like um domain and hosting. Now please, if you want to get domain and hosting, please check the description link below. You're going to see check the description of this video. You're going to see a link for you to get your domain. So let me show you how the website is going to look like that we're going to be building for this tutorial. So this is how the website is going to look like. You can see this is how the website is going to look like. And if we click on login, it's going to look like this. So but let's stop here for now. I'm going to, once I'm done building the one we're going to build, i'm going to um I'm going to log in, so you are going to see how the website looks like. So you can see the link kxfinance.commerce.online, right? So now let's get started. So in order for us to get started, first we have to get our domain and hosting, just like what I said earlier, right? So I've gotten my already. So I've got my domain and hosting. So you can get from any hosting platform, but you can get from Namecheap, Google Hosts, Gen Hosts, etc. Anyone, but just use the one I'm using. You can check the description link below. You see the one I'm using. I get your domain and hosting. So let's continue. So first thing we need to do in order for us to build the script, first we have to upload our file, right? So we go to your file manager after you gotten your domain and hosting. Next thing you do, you go to your file manager. Now this is my file manager. My file manager contains too many things there, but yours, you just have to open this public underscore HTML. Yeah, you're not going to see anything here. You're going to see some file after getting your domain and hosting. Then the next thing for you to do is for you to just delete the file you see. So once you're done deleting it, then you upload your own file. You click on upload and upload here. But I'm going to be doing that in this video because I have some file on this particular folder. So I'm going to upload my in this new folder I created, which is yu.finance.com.online. So I'm going to click it, then I'll select everything, and I'm going to delete this, right? So the next thing for me to is for me to upload my file, right? I'll click on upload, then click on select file, right? So you can see I have a lot of banking script here, but I'm going to upload this particular one here now, right? So give it some time for it to just get uploaded. So we're done uploading the file, right? So next thing for us to do now is for us to go back. Now this file, we're going to extract this file. So right click on it and click on extract, right? So we can delete this since we've extracted the file already. Then click on this. You see this .sql, you download it, right? Once you're done downloading it, this is the readme file. You can read it if you want to. You can delete it. I'm going to delete it also, and I'm going to delete this also. Then open this folder here, select all, right click, then you're going to move this to your main website, because that thing is actually in another folder. So we're going to be done. So we're done with that. We're already done with that. We open this now, we're going to see this here, right? So next thing for us to do now is for us to create the database. So go to file manager, then we're going to create the database now, right? So my SQL database wizard, so I'll call this subscribe. Please and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. It will encourage me to do videos related to this. And if you check my channel, you can go to the previous video. I once in a while I give free scripts. You can check one of my previous video. I gave a free investment script. You can also just subscribe, make comments, and if you don't understand anything I'm doing this tutorial, you can actually come to my DM. But if you understand, you can proceed with the video. But please and please just try and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me a lot and to encourage me to do more videos. So I'm going to copy this, same thing again. I want to use it to my password to make things more easier for me. So that's what that was my password. Then I'll click create. So we're done creating a database. Click on all privileges and make changes. Then we're done creating a database, right? So next thing for us to do now is for us to just go back to our cPanel. Now we're going to our php folder file folder, yes, php. Then you see this thing we just create subscriber. Now click on it and click on import. Now click choose file. Now we're going to be choosing this particular file we just downloaded, right? This one we just downloaded. I told you about from the beginning. This is it. We click on it and click open. Then click go. Then wait for it to be uploaded. So the file has been uploaded successfully, right? You've seen it. So we can just click on this. So no. So look, our this is our what's it called? This is our email for admin, and this is our password, and our password by default is admin123. So now we can check this website. How does this website looks like now? So yu dot, let me just press kx. So if you notice dot fin, so this is the previous one I showed before we started this tutorial, but let me clean this and put yu now and click on enter. It is showing this, right? But when you click this now, I want to show you something. When you click this login, it's not going to show. See what you're saying? We've not connected the database. I just remembered immediately. So we're going to do that right away, right? So go back to our file manager. Then we open that particular folder, which is yu folder. You open your own public underscore HTML folder where you uploaded your file. You click on controller. Then you see this thing called, so we're supposed to click on connection. You see this called database, right? I click on it and edit. So when you click, you see this thing, you copy that the database you created, you put it here. Oh, Z. Remember we created a database, right? Which is this. We're going to copy this and put it here. Same thing goes here because that's what we use as our password. And that's what we use our DB name also. So we're going to save this. Click OK. Done, right? So remember this is our email. Let me take my email again because we're going to be using this email. So let me access that particular folder again. You can see the folder is open. This yu folder, this is the particular place. This is the banking website, right? So now it's asking for us to register or create an account. So we're just going to create an account. We're going to register. So first thing first, I'll call it, and I'm going to use one of my emails. Let me just look for an email here. Okay, I think this should be okay. This is what I'm going to use. Then next, so I'm going to use a simple password. So next, and click on next, right? So phone number, XSN, number, date of birth. So I'm just going to pick 2010, February 2nd, male or female, anyone, current account. Then next, then I'm just going to use this as my address. Then click on register. So because we're using the subdomain, it was unable to show the right message. So we've registered initially mistakenly, but now it is showing that this email already exists. It means that we've registered again. So we're going to log in now. So we can still record email. We're going to log in. See, this is what it is saying here, right? So we're going to log into admin. This is admin, right? So we have too many things here. We can add a new account. We can do other things here from the admin also. We can manage the account. We can many other things. But if you want to activate, just go here and um, edit user accounts. Showing activated here already. Nice. That's been verified already. I think that domain is Venus issue though. Venus issue. Let's change it. Don't that also. Let me go back here and see. So you can see it asks for our pin now. It means our account has been activated. So we want to. So our pin is. So we're already in our account, right? You can see we have 3,000 heroes here. It can be changed also. Look at our name. Account name is what? Subscribe channel, right? So current account, that's the type of account. Account number, SSN, written number, and this is the transaction. You can see the transaction, right? You can also click on a transaction to export or print the transaction out. You can see, just hold on for it to load. You can see, you can just export data. That's if you want to print it out. So you can also download it in PDF format. See, I just downloaded that now, right? So you can also do that. So we have other things here. We have our KYC verification. You can just choose your file, any of your file here. Just choose um just generate your pictures here, and you can just submit. See, KYC will just submit. Wait for approval. So you can also digital deposit. Can make deposits. Ethereum and anyway you feel like making deposits. Um, you copy the address, put amounts, just put the amounts now like this. Yeah, that is amount in USDT, USD. This amount BTC. You put your um transaction transaction ID. That when you're done copying and making payment already, so you copy first. Once you're done copying, you go make payment, put it there and deposit. Click on deposit, then it will notify that you've made a deposit. See, I did not put any amount there. Saying no fee should be left empty. So no fee should be left empty. So I did not put a transaction ID, so it did not go through. So if I were to put $100, let me just put this as my transaction ID and click on done here. It's going to okay. It's going to go through. That error is due to it is in my subdomain. That's why it's showing that. If you put your main domain, it's gonna go and show you that. So we have transfer. You can also make transfer international. There are history. You can check your history, transaction history, and you can check your transaction history. This is a completed transaction, right? You can also for loan. Let me check here. So I'm going to show you. You can also request for card, right? You can apply for card also. So so let's go to the admin panel again. Let's go to admin panel again and see. So you can also send message from the admin dashboard to any user if you like sending message to. So if for instance a user sent me a message, I can reply them here also. So this way you can also check your um um you can change your currency, your SMS problem. If you want them to receive SMS, you can put the public key there. You can put a branch here. You can call it um okay, yeah. So you can put your email here. If you have an email, you can create an email from the dashboard from your cPanel webmail. Put it there. Disable OTP. I deliver this like I don't want to strange put in an email. You can just change setting, save sentence, right? So if we were to go back to our account to check our currency, so the more you can see our currency has changed. So the more, but our advice, you don't do this in a subfolder when you're doing it, do it in your main folder. If you do this subfolder, there are too many things you're going to be facing. So when doing it, and doing it in a doing it in your main folder. So you can message your support here. So for instance, I can say something. I've not even changed the email folder, but let me just see if it's going to go. Okay, so let me go back to my admin. Right, that is what I use my KYC verification. So when I did KYC verification, the picture I used when I uploaded initially. So so you can just check and make sure confirm if you notice this is what I sent. Take a look at it very well. You can go back and take a look at it very well. When we send that message, take a look at it very well. So from there we can actually just reply this message by saying anything, just like saying also, just like that. Then the message has been replied. So once you go to your dashboard again, you can just visit your message. You're going to see a reply, admin response. This is what I reply with. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Please stay tuned for more videos. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And also in 2 or 3 months time, I'm going to be uploading a free SME script. So please just stay tuned, subscribe, make comment. If you don't understand anything, if you're having any difficulty, let me know. I'm going to help you out with that.